If you're looking to track expenses efficiently with Deel, you're in the right place. Deel's simple and intuitive platform makes managing expenses a breeze, and I'm going to show you how to do it quickly and easily so you can stay on top of your business finances. First off, let's dive right in. Deel's expense tracking feature allows you to log, categorize, and track all your team's expenses directly in one centralized location. Whether you're working with contractors, freelancers, or full-time employees, Deel helps streamline the entire process. You can manage everything from business meals to travel expenses, ensuring that all expenses are recorded accurately. To get started, you'll need to log in to your Deel account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. Use the first link below to sign up and get access to an exclusive extended free trial, so you can explore everything Deel has to offer with no commitment. Once you're in, click on the Expenses tab. This is where the magic happens. Here, you can either manually add an expense or upload a receipt. You can specify the expense category, add the amount, and even choose the currency. This makes Deel especially useful for businesses with international teams or freelancers. You can manage expenses in various currencies, and Deel will handle the conversion seamlessly. To track expenses effectively, it's important to categorize them correctly. Deel offers a set of predefined categories like travel, meals, and office supplies, but you can also create custom categories for your specific needs. This gives you flexibility and control over how you track and report your spending. As you add expenses, Deel gives you the option to attach receipts. You can either upload a photo or PDF, or simply input the details manually. If you're someone who prefers to stay organized, this feature is perfect, as it ensures you'll have all the documentation ready for tax season or expense reporting. What's great about Deel is its real-time sync feature. As expenses are entered, they're automatically synced across all users in your account. This is crucial if you have a team or an accountant working with you, as everyone will be on the same page without having to send spreadsheets back and forth. Now, let's talk about tracking and reporting. Deel offers several ways to track expenses, including generating reports based on specific timeframes or categories. You can pull reports monthly, quarterly, or annually, which is a game changer when it comes to budgeting and financial planning. Deel will automatically calculate totals for each category, helping you stay on top of your spending without manual calculations. Lastly, Deel integrates with other financial tools like QuickBooks or Xero, which means you don't have to worry about manually entering data into multiple platforms. This integration makes it much easier to manage all your financial data in one place, saving you time and reducing the chances of errors. If you're new to Deel, don't worry. It's intuitive and designed for users of all experience levels. And remember, you can start using Deel for free by clicking the link below, where you'll also get an exclusive extended trial. This is an amazing opportunity to see if Deel fits your business without committing to a paid plan right away. In summary, Deel is a powerful tool that helps you track expenses with ease. Whether you're managing a remote team, contractors, or employees, Deel ensures all your expenses are logged accurately and efficiently. From receipt uploads to customizable categories, Deel has everything you need to keep your financials organized. So if you're ready to streamline your expense tracking, make sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial by clicking the link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.